Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Network Thirst, and I hope you all guys are just doing great. In our previous session we have seen how to configure the DMVPN between the hub and spoke, and in today's video we will be learning about DMVPN phase 1. Phase 1 actually tells about there will be a tunnel between the hub and spoke, but there will not be a tunnel between the spoke to spokes. A tunnel will be there from this R1 and R3, but there will not be a tunnel between this R3 and R4 and R4 and R5, because these R3, R5 and R4, these routers are acting as our branch routers, and they are acting as a an HRP client, and they will be having a communication, like they will be able to reach to the tunnel interfaces, like which were private WAN interfaces, but there will be not a direct communication from R3 to R4. There will be a communication via the R1, which is a hub as per the DM point of perspective. So without any wasting time, let's jump to our lab section and try to configure the lab. As you can see over here, we have these commands on the hub. We need to give these commands to make it as an HRP server, and these commands will be on the spoke side. There we need to configure as an HRP clients, so they will be having a complete update from the server itself. So let's go to the R1 and try to configure the R1. Let's give the interface channel 100, and IP address as per the topology I will give to 10.0.0.1. No shutdown required word, since it is a logical tunnel. And tunnel source I would give, this is just 2/0 if I'm not wrong. Yeah. Tunnel mode I would give, this is a multi-point GRE, and let's enable the NHRP. Let's give network ID 1, this is locally significant, and let's map things. That's it from the hub perspective. Let's verify the configuration. Then 0.0.01. That's okay. This is fine. Now let's go to R3. You can see over R3 here we have interface tunnel. It should be, let's give 3, and IP address I would like to give 10.0.0.3, and tunnel source I should say it should be as not sure which is, yeah, this is S2/1. Okay. Now one more thing to notice over here, we are using here tunnel destination command instead of tunnel mode, and the tunnel destination would be 12.0.0.1, since this is a point to point. And you can see line protocol interface tunnel 3, it came up now. Let's enable the NHRP. Let's give 3 over here. IP NHRP map 10.0.0.1, which is on 12.0.0.1, and IP NHRP next hop server, we can say, from where it should take the all updates. It should be 10.0.0.1. Let's verify the tunnel configuration. Perfect. Now go to R4. Interface tunnel 4. IP address I would like to give here 10.0.0.4. Tunnel source for this is 2/2, and tunnel destination should be 12.0.0.1. Let's enable an HRP. That's it. Similarly, go to R5, 50 interface tunnel 5. Let's give IP address 10.0.0.5. Tunnel source, it should be S2/3, and tunnel destination, it should be 12.0.0.1. Let's verify, oh sorry, let's enable NHRP over here. Let's give it 5. IP NHRP, next hop server is 10.0.0.1. Let's map it. Interface tunnel 5. So just to verify, show IP interface brief. Are you able to ping 10.0.0.1? Yes, you are able to. 0.0.0.2 will not be able to. However, we can try the same thing from the R1 side also. Give the trace route command 10.0.1 will be going like this. You are having a reachability up to 10.0.4 as well, and they are going via the server itself from R1. Show IP interface brief. Tunnel is up. Show DMVPN. You can see we have a peer 12.0.1. The tunnel address is 10.0.1, which is up here. And if you just trace route 10.0.0.1 directly. However, if you go for 5, it will be via R1. However, you try one more time. You can see or you can observe the traffic is going to the server first, then it is going to the destination. Earlier video I have shown you, earlier the first packet was going to the server, later on the packet was going to the destination directly. However, in this video I have shown you that it's going via server only, because this is a point-to-point phase 1 DMVPN. If it would have been point to multi-point, or we can say from spoke to spoke perspective, it would have been the phase 2. So we will discuss about phase 2 in our next video. uh, for today, this one for the point-to-point DMVPN. So if you like the video, then like it, and if you love the video, then please subscribe it. Have a good day, friends. Thank you.